What is up, guys? LoshTV here, Adrian, recording for SoCal Exploring. We're back at Universal. We're gonna do another construction update. It's not just gonna be the Jurassic coaster today. I'm also gonna go to the store in City Walk so you guys can see what it looks like so far. We don't know what it is, it's not announced. But we can take a look at it real quick. It's nothing crazy. Let's go check it out. Roll that intro. Also, before I forget to say it, please check out my social media. That is LoshTV on Instagram and King Losh on Twitter. And then you can subscribe to my channel, which is also LoshTV. My mask is all over the place. I don't know what's going on with it, but whatever. Keep a mask on when you're at the parks, guys. It's not that bad. All right, so the building is completely gutted. Sorry about the music. Completely gutted. Like, I can't wait to see what they're gonna put here. Should be something really cool and different, but we'll see when that happens. I have no idea. So let's walk into Islands and go check out some of this Raptor construction. Here we have the construction. Of course, we're gonna start from this end. This is from the U-break area right in front of the lagoon. Let's go look at some more areas, why not? Alright, so since last time we came out here, they have a top hat now. They added a lot more. And they added the other bar right there as well. Let's go look at the rest of the coaster real quick, just to get a nice view of this beautiful coaster right here. Here's the opposite view of the top hat. This right here looks like another one of the show buildings that they're going to use. It's such a big coaster, I can't get over it. So we had the really nice gentleman wave at us at one time. Alright guys, that is it from Universal. We're here. Hope you guys enjoyed the Raptor construction. Do not forget, it's hot. Do not forget to subscribe to LoshTV. Check out my social medias. That's LoshTV on Instagram, King Losh on Twitter. Sub to SoCal Exploring. Keep exploring. Positivity is key. And stay excellent, my dudes.